Attorneys at Law final year examination එකේ commercial law 1 වල introductory video lesson එකත් එක්කයි අද අපි එකතු වෙන්නේ. මේ introductory video lesson එකේදී අපි කතා කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා මේ විෂය අන්තර්ගතයන් සහ අපි මේ video series එකේදී කතා කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ මොනවද කියන එක සම්බන්ධයෙන්. අපි මුලින්ම commercial law 1 වල ගත්තාන් පස්සේ මේ commercial law 1 වල paper structure ගත්තොත් paper structure එකේ total number of questions අපිට 9ක් දැක ගන්නට පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම මේ 9න් first question is a compulsory question, you have to write it, and then upon this 9th question you can select 6 question including the first mandatory question. එතකොට පළවෙනි question එක අතහැරියට පස්සේ ඉතුරු question 8න් පහක් තමයි ඔයාලා ලියන්නට ඕනේ පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නෙට ඇතුළත්. compulsory question එකට ලකුණු 20ක ප්‍රමාණයකුත් අනිකුත් ප්‍රශ්න වලට ලකුණු 16 බැගින් තමයි ඔයාලට paper structure එකේදී ලකුණු ලැබීම සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ. අපි ඊට පස්සේ paper analysis එක ගත්තොත් එහෙම මේ මූලික paper analysis එක තියෙන අපි in detail අපි ඉදිරියේදී කතා කරන video lesson තුලදී අපි අවසාන වර්ෂ 3 ගත්තොත් එහෙම 2019 අප්‍රේල් 2019 ඔක්තෝබර් සහ 2020 අප්‍රේල් අවසාන වර්ෂයෙන් තිබිච්ච විභාගයේදී මේ හැම එකකදීම ඔයාලට දැක ගන්නට පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්න 5ක් company law වලින් හැම අවස්ථාවකදීම නිර්මාණය වෙලා තියෙනවා 5 questions are based on company law. එතකොට අපි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම company law වලට වැඩි අවධානයක් වැඩි concentration එකක් ලබා දෙන්න ඕනේ because when it comes to the compulsory question it is always been based on the company law. So apart from the first question you have to write all 6 questions, and if you focused more on company law, if you have a comprehensive knowledge on company law, if you can write the 5 questions with another 1 or 2 areas, you can easily pass the commercial law area and cover the areas which you need to be pass the examination. ඊට අමතරව company law වල මේ ප්‍රධාන areas පහ ගත්තට පස්සේ we have another area, law of agency. Basically there will be 1 or 2 questions from law of agency, and from principles of insurance there will be a 1 question as well. In 2019 April there were 2 questions based on the principles of insurance. So however, if you can prepare for the company law, law of agency and principles of insurance, you can easily write 7 to 8 questions from the question paper. So based on the paper analysis, our video tutorials are based on in this order. There are 5 main categories. ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන් කරුණු පහක් යටතේ අපි කතා කරනවා. අපි මුලින්ම introduction සහ paper analysis එක කතා කරනවා. ඊළඟට අපි company law තමයි අපේ දෙවෙනි video tutorial set එක තියෙන්නේ. Video tutorials වලදී අපි කතා කරනවා introduction to company law and corporate veil. Under that we also talked about the organizational personality. Then we talked about the types of companies. Then we are going to learn about incorporation of companies, selecting a name, articles of association, ultra vires doctrine, and afterwards then we talked about contracts and pre-incorporation contracts, directors, their duties and responsibilities and all the stuff. Then we are going to learn about winding up, shares, and most important subject, a very important lesson when it comes to the commercial law 1 is shareholder remedies. So we are going to learn about that as well. And then finally for the company law, our video tutorials are on conversion of public corporation into private companies as well. And then our third set of lectures are based on law of agency, and under that we are going to learn about introduction, capacity of parties, creation of agency, and there are several types of methods which create agency, agreement, ratification, estoppel, and operation of law. So we are going to learn about each of these types one by one. And then we are going to learn about the scope of agent's authority. Under that we have 2 types, actual authority and apparent authority, and we are going to learn about each of these types as well. Then for the agency we are going to talk about duties of agents and rights of agents as well. So our video tutorials for law of agency are based on all these areas, and these areas are selected from the analysis of the past papers. And our final 2 set of videos are based on principles of insurance, and under that we are going to learn about a brief introduction over to the principles of insurance, then elements of contract of insurance. There are several types of policies when it comes to the insurance, so we are going to learn about that. Then there are several concepts such as insurable interest, principle of indemnity, principles of utmost good faith, doctrine of subrogation, insurance cover note, reinsurance. So we are going to learn those stuff as well. And finally we are going to learn a revision, and under that revision we are while we are revising whatever the things we have done so far, and also we are going to discuss the past papers and model questions as well. So this will be the all the idea about Commercial Law 1 in brief. And one of the important thing when it comes to the Online Law Master is you can watch the videos at any time, anywhere you want. And not only that, you can raise your questions, you can clear your doubts whenever you are listening to the videos. We provide 24/7 student care service, so you can WhatsApp or Viber from the above two numbers to any of the numbers anytime you want. Whenever you watch a video, if you raise a question, if you have a doubt, you can send a message through WhatsApp or Viber towards these two numbers and clear your doubts. So we'll start with the lecture series from the next videos.